replace the front brakes on this 2014 Subaru Forester. Really simple procedure. We're gonna start by compressing our caliper, screwdriver. Good. Now let's do the two bolt here, 14mm. Yeah. Caliper out. Compress. So we're gonna hang it with a hanging tool, or you can use a regular bungee cord. It will do a very good job. Okay, same thing. So inspect our sliding pin. Those are good. Good parts out. Use the big guns. Now let's do our caliper water bolt, 17mm. We're gonna use the 17mm wrench. Take the bolt, make it free and remove it. Almost there. Take the bolt off. Do the top part now. Good. We have a bracket out. Now let's take out the hardware. Okay. Same thing here. And we're gonna clean the bracket. Okay. Gonna install the new clip. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the water out. Sometimes you might have to use a hammer to take them off, okay? Let's clean our hub surface. Once again, safety glasses. Let's install our water. Some waters do need to be cleaned because they have a coating on it. The one that have oil, sometimes you have to use soap and water or brake clean, but that one we don't have to do anything with it. We just install them, but they don't have oil all over them. Okay, and I'm gonna install our bracket here. See. Now we're gonna caliper bolt. Okay. The same thing over here, so. Okay.
How many miles does it have?
Now let's grease our brake pads.
21.7. I'll probably hold off on that.
So that one, like you say, it tells you what way to put it in. It stays out like that. Okay. In. And now we have to grease our brake pad to avoid squeaky noise. And we grease our slider pins. Okay. And we install our caliper. Okay. Both ends. We're good. That's all we're doing, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the